Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, we are going to discuss everything Louis Vuitton. Yes, so we are going to discuss the up-and-coming and latest new bags from Louis Vuitton. So we have three categories. We have the PreSpring Summer 2022 for men's. We also have the Louis Vuitton Christmas animation, and of course, the much-awaited and controversial Pochette Metis East-West bag. So if you want to find out everything all about these, the launch date, the prices, and all the good stuff, make sure you watch the entire episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for the very first category would be the PreSpring Summer 2022 Graffiti in green lights in multicolor lights. So Louis Vuitton would be launching this collection on October 27. So honestly guys, I'll share a tip. I've already contacted my CA and let him know what are my wish lists on this collection. So they have many bags and SLGs here. So I will just be discussing currently what's on my wish list. So the very first one is the Pochette Voyage. So let me just get my toiletry pouch 26. So it's the same size as this one. So currently the Pochette Voyage doesn't have any prices as of the moment. So I would be posting it here or on the description box just in case I would have additional information. But guys, what I super love about these graffiti collections, so every time that Louis Vuitton would be doing something a little bit different or be tweaking the Louis Vuitton monogram, I really fall instantly for this collection. Just like with this collection, so if we are going to take a look at this very beautiful Pochette Voyage, so again, my toiletry pouch is the same. So I think the only difference on this one, the sides, just like the new toiletry pouch, is now made of genuine leather, and on the inside as well, it's lined with genuine leather and it has card slots. And I believe it's the same length. It's 26 centimeters here. So definitely, just like myself, I have an insert for this one. So if I would be getting this one, I believe if I'm not mistaken, the price would be estimated around 1,700 to 1,800 for this one. So definitely, I could transform this one into a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. So I would be getting a piece of this collection without breaking down. Alright, for the next one would be under the multicolor lights collection is the Trio Messenger bag for $2,850 US. So this one guys, I also love this one because this is like the men's version of the multi-pochette. It comes with three bags, of course. The first one, the one in front of it, the smaller one, is fully detachable. Then you have one huge compartment and it comes with a key clay. Again, loving these reverse monogram with the graffiti print. I love the LVs, the Louis Vuitton flowers in different colors. Super love the Trio Messenger bag. Next one guys, definitely this is on my wish list. It would be the Keepall 25. So guys, the price of this one is $2,510 US. So again, take note guys, this is a Keepall 25. So this is different from Keepall XS because this is a little bit bigger. I'm going to put a short video here because I've tried in the previous collection. So this one, I'm glad that I was, saving myself for this collection because my CA actually sent me a photo of another Keepall 25 in the reverse monogram, but it doesn't have any print yet. But I told myself I would just hold on because honestly I'm not in love with that print, because when I have seen this previously before, I told myself this may be or Keepall 25 for me that I would want and would be happy for my collection. So this one is under the green lights graffiti. So generally the colors are in green. So we have the green LVs, white Louis Vuitton flowers. So of course, I love the luggage tag of the Keepall 25. Next, under the graffiti green lights would be the Louis Vuitton bum bag, and the price for this one is $2,310. So as we know, the bum bag for the women's section has already been discontinued, but definitely you could check this one out because it's almost the same and I feel it's much better, especially this is on a limited collection. So again, I love the graffiti writing writing on this bum bag. Super cute, and I love the color. It really stands out on this collection. Now let's talk a little bit of SOG on this collection. Of course, they have the key clay. So for the key clay, price is $395. So this is such a cute SLG that you may want to add to your collection. So as you are going to see, it's under the multicolor lights collection. There's a huge red LV, and I really love the writing on this one. Alright, so for the second category, let us discuss the Holiday 2022 collection. So I'll be showing you most of the pieces and SLGs in this collection. So again, I would like to say thank you to Foxy LV for sharing these photos and prices to all of us. So firstly, guys, we have the well-loved mini pochette. So price is $815 US. So it comes in 3 different countries. So we have the Seoul, we have the Paris, and we have the Tokyo. So guys, among these 3, which one is your favorite? For me, honestly, any of these would do. But perhaps, since if ever this would be my very first holiday collection, I would be choosing Paris first. Then next is we have the round coin purse. Round coin purse price is $475 US. So the print on this one is the Tokyo print. So I'm not really sure yet as of the moment if it would come in Seoul or Paris print. Next we have the Victorine wallet for $650 US. Then we have the passport holder for $415 US in the Paris print. I love the Felicie pochette. So Felicie comes in 2 different prints. So first one is in Paris, price is $1,600 USD. Second print is in NYC. So there's a 4th city, NYC, so $1,600. So this is nice. So maybe I would choose NYC. Then we have the zippy coin purse for $915 US. Then we have the Victorine wallet for $650 US. We also have the passport holder for the NYC print for $415 US. And the zippy coin purse for $550 US for the USA print. Alright, so next let us discuss the very controversial East-West Pochette Metis. So what do we know so far? So of course, this one would be launching October 28th this year. Price is staggering $2,910 USD before tax, guys. So what are the dimensions? So the length of this one, so let me get, because I don't have a Pochette Metis yet, but I would be getting this one. I believe this is the nearest measurement for the Pochette Metis. So the dimension, the length is 21.5 centimeters. And then the height is 13.5 centimeters, because the height of this one is 13.5 centimeters. And then the depth is 6 centimeters. So this is almost the same depth. The length of my Chanel full flap bag here is 24 centimeters. But if we are going to remove the 21.5, so remove this one. So I am covering the part, so that is the exact measurement of the Pochette Metis. So for me, in my opinion, it is very small. I'm not really sure if I'm too happy about that, because of course I am now looking for a medium-sized bag, because I do carry a lot right now. So what else do we know so far? So let us check what they have also changed with the Pochette Metis East-West. As we know, guys, so they have shrunk the bag, they have elongated the bag. So now we are going to see that now it comes with 2 different straps, very different from the original Pochette Metis, where it only comes with 1 strap. This one, it comes with the leather strap that is fully adjustable, which is very reminiscent of In a Way. Then it comes with a chain strap. So I am guessing, guys, the reason why they have shrunk down that bag is because Louis Vuitton is thinking that maybe it's time for people to be carrying Pochette Metis underneath your arms like this. Like for example, wear the chain and then it could be underneath your arms like this. I'm not really sure if that is comfortable for me, but that is my guess why they have shrunk down the Pochette Metis. Also, it comes actually with the same features almost. So for example, the opening mechanism is still the same. It also has the back zipper pocket. So right now it still has the vachetta leather, so it's not treated. I think what's the difference, because with the original Pochette Metis, of course it comes in 2 compartments, then it has a zipper at the back. So for this one, the separator of the 2 compartments is now the zippered one. What do you think, guys, for the Pochette Metis? It comes also with the 2D ring, so you could attach both the leather strap and the chain strap together. So for this one, guys, honestly, I have launched a poll on my Instagram wherein 60% said no, that they are not happy and that they would not be getting the East-West Pochette Metis, and only 40% said yes, that they would be getting and ordering the Pochette Metis. Me, in my personal opinion, honestly, I would still go perhaps for the original version for a couple of reasons. So let me just get this. Number one, of course, for the size, and of course, number two, guys, for the price, because the original Pochette Metis in monogram canvas and in reverse monogram price is only $2,570 before tax, and then of course the upfront version is $2,840 US before tax, and then the bicolor upfront Pochette Metis is $2,980 US. So guys, if you are going to get this one in canvas version, the East-West, price is already $2,910. So they have shrunk the bag, they have only given you 2 straps, and then they have dramatically increased the price, because definitely if I would be given an option, I would not be purchasing the Pochette Metis East-West. I would be getting the Pochette Metis in bicolor upfront leather. There, how did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among all the new Louis Vuitton that would be launched really soon, which one is your favorite? Me personally, there are 2 bags that I wanted. So it would be from the Spring Summer 2023 Graffiti collection. So it would be either the Pochette Voyage or the Keepall 25. So like what I've mentioned, I've already contacted my CA. I already asked him if he could message me right away as soon as this lands on our stores here in Metro Manila. So again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!